Now here's silver, having looked at quite a few forex pairs and having looked at the action in gold. You have to give silver credit here for the reversal and the recovery, although it is of course far behind gold. It's much weaker, but nevertheless it's coming out of the depths of the crisis that it had here. It is possible at this point to consider this as wave 1. This is wave 2 with an ABCX ABC. So that's going to be my 1, 2, and it's going up in a third wave. Okay, this is the weekly, and again there is every chance that silver now put in an important bottom and it's time to look up. This is the 50 moving average and it stopped right there. Okay, and we also have resistance, but despite the fact that it is looking like a big struggle to silver, silver is coming back. And I'm going to look at the daily now, and that's the way I'm subdividing the price action. A, B, C, X, A with a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C, D, E, B, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, C. Okay, I repeat. So we have an A, B, C, X, A, B, C, and that's silver coming up in an impulsive manner. Yes, that's an impulse wave. I think silver will gain quite a bit of traction to propel it higher once it clears 1550. And inevitably clearing 16.2 would really send it into the heart of the third wave. So that could see silver really running up sharply. And you know that silver can deliver days that are absolutely stunning when it runs up or it runs down. There are situations where silver, nothing can really equal the speed in which silver can move. Okay, we've got it here as a 1, 2 and the rest unlabeled. That's on purpose. I want to take my time to have more price action to go by to feel more comfortable how to subdivide that. It looks to me like there was a fourth wave here, but I'm not sure yet how to take the rest. Okay, so instead of pushing a wave count and forcing a wave count, I let the wave count come to me. When I'm in a situation like that, I focus on the trend, I focus on the support resistance levels, and I keep a sharp eye on what the relative markets, the related markets are doing. And you can see the 200 moving average right here on the daily was support for quite a while. Do you see that? And then jumped above, and it is sitting on top. So that's an event. That's an event, and there is a reversal here clearly. And as I told you, I think there is a future to this upswing that we have seen here. Okay, that's gold. Gold managed to actually run through the top here faster than of course silver, but was fairly quick in achieving that. Right now it's not clear to me if we finished with the fourth wave or the fourth wave is still ongoing. Okay, that was taken as a 1, 2 on the daily. Yes, 1, 2 with the assumption that the E leg probably ended here. Okay, there is a possibility that it might have ended here, as I discussed on a few occasions, and that will be a 1, 2, 1, 2 structure. With time, we will be able to sort it out better. I'm going to go to the 60 minutes. So I'm just focusing on the run up here that I take as a 1, 2. Okay, that's my preferred reading. I will focus on the completion of this move before I will take off my question marks. But right here, it's a little bit all over the place, as you can see. And another run higher here would probably establish this as the right wave count with the E ending here, with this being an A, B, C, D, E, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you see? So that's going to be your fourth wave right here, and that's going to be the end of your third. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's of course not the end of the story. Then it's going to correct again, and it stands to reason that you have resistance here. Yes, perfectly normal that you have resistance here on the 4-hour scale, and it needs to consolidate further before it can make more headway here on its way to tackle the ultimate resistance that pushed it down for months. Right here, do you see? So it's perfectly normal. We are going to see a bit of lateral movement here. Could go on for a few days, maybe 2-3 weeks even. Yeah, when it's ready, it's going to run through that, and that's going to be a situation where we could see really gold going into an accelerated run, something like that. Well, you know what gold can do, gold and silver, when they are in a very powerful upswing. That would be the case once it clears overhead resistance right here.